this look. I cannot wait for you to see everything that I used to get here because it's really cute. I also cannot wait for you to subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is click the button, also that post notification bell, so you don't miss any of my uploads. There's beautiful makeup, great conversation. I cannot wait for you to become a part of the family. So go ahead and click the button, girl. It's just so easy, it's fast, it's fun, it's free. Hey, why not? You know what I'm thinking? Maybe I should give you like a couple of seconds, like just right here, right now, to go ahead and click the subscribe button and that post notification bell. I'm just gonna sit here and vibe out to the music in my head while you go ahead and click that button, girl. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. It's fast, it's fun, it's free. Girl, you got me over here acting a fool because you haven't subscribed yet. If you did it, I appreciate you. If you have not, there's always opportunity. You know I don't like holding you up. I know I held you up a little bit today, so I'm not gonna hold you up any further. Let's get to the video. I'm missing a nail, okay? I'm missing a nail. I don't feel like putting it on right now. So, Grace, I need grace, okay? You see it, it's missing, it'll be okay. What we're gonna do today is put on a little bit of makeup because we're going to brunch. We're putting on the, of course, Fenty Beauty moisturizer right now. And then I'll apply the Supergoop Mineral Matte Screen. We're actually going to recreate a look that I did, I don't know, girl. I don't know if it was last year or this year. You know, maybe it was this year. I don't know. But anyway, regardless, we're gonna recreate the look. I'll put a picture like of the thumbnail right here because in that video, no, I take that back. I was about to say in that video, I swatched the palette, but I didn't. I swatched the palette in this video. So yeah, what we're gonna do is recreate this look, okay? We're gonna recreate this look. However, if you would like to see swatches of the entire palette, then you should check out this video. This dress that I'm wearing, I showed it to you, like I put it up to the camera. I didn't have it on, but I did show it to you in that vlog where it was like, okay, you know what, it's this vlog. It's that one, okay? I showed it to you in that one. I held it up. It was the one where I was saying it's got a high neck and that it's ribbed. That's the one I'm wearing right now. Super cute, super cute. We've got the MAC paint pot laid down. Next, we're going to put, of course, burnished honey in the crease just to set up the look. I'm gonna put a white eyeshadow on the lid. So this is actually gonna be an all matte look with that white shade kind of being the star of the show. Are you protecting your peace? It's important. We should all be protecting our peace. Basically, staying away from people and energy that zaps you, right? That messes with your mindset and your mood. Girl, we gotta get these kind of people out of our lives. That sounds harsh. At the very least, limit the exposure that that person has to you, like the access that that person has to you. You have to limit that at the very least. Why? Because life is short. And what we're trying to do is be the best we can be every day. Like if you wake up, you're in a good mood, and then here comes, you know, this person. Immediately, you just go, ugh. Girl, that person, you gotta figure out how to either step away from that person and say, you know, no more, or limit the access that that person has to you, right? It's a must. I didn't show you the palette, I'm sorry. Talking and, okay, here it is. This is called Hi-Fi Color. It's by MAC. and it is from their Connect in Color collection, okay? So this again is called Hi-Fi Color. As you can see, there are a lot of really beautiful bold colors. Again, you can see the swatches in that other video. I just placed that black shade right there in my outer V. Next, we're gonna go in with this white shade and place that all over the lid. It's gonna be so cute. Lashes, you know, it's gonna be really, really cute. So I'm just taking a shader brush and grabbing some of that shade and placing it right, oh yeah, see? Right there on the lid. That's cute. I went a little too high, but you know, we'll blend it out or do something. How easy and simple is this look? It's gonna look like we did something so much, like so big, like we really did something special, but girl, really, it's 3 shades. It's really not even 3 shades. It's a bronzer in the crease and then the 2 shades from the palette. Blend, blend, blend. Girl, that's it. That is it. That's the look. Seriously, at this stage of my life, having peace is more important than like, I don't know, like proving a point, or I don't know. It's just more important than it has been in the past. I feel like I just want to be as happy as I can, as much as I can. You cannot be happy all the time. It's like impossible because, you know, life happens to us. But I just want to put my energy toward positivity. You know what I'm saying? I also feel like protecting your peace is like a part of like self-care. You know, self-care is like a popular thing that you hear. It's just really popular on social media to hear someone talk about self-care. But just because it's trending or something that you hear a lot of people say on social media doesn't mean it's not, you know, valid, because it 100% is. It's valid. I was talking to you guys in another video about how I used to not take care of myself. I have discovered, and honestly through watching YouTube videos and hearing about self-care so much, it really did affect me in a positive way. I was like, you know, yeah. You know, I'm identifying with this stuff. I would hear someone on social media, you know, saying, oh, you know, you should do this to take care of yourself. This is a self-care thing that I do. And I'm just like, yeah, you know, identifying big time, because those things sounded so good to me. Like things that I should have been doing and wasn't. Things that I would have loved to have done and didn't. I was like diving in, you know, head first, you know, into all of these things that I was hearing about, or some of them, you know. Self-care it's a real thing. I feel like self-care and, you know, taking care of your mental health, like that, okay? They go together to me. I don't know if I've ever heard anyone say anything like self-care and relating it to mental health, but yes, 100%. I'm gonna try very hard not to get powder on this black dress because it will definitely show up. That's why I'm using this puff instead of a brush. Okay, I think my dress is safe. I'm still working on the Fenty Pressed Powder Foundation, but I just love this one so much that I do use it still, you know. Have I worn these earrings before on camera? I don't know, but they're from Lane Bryant, I promise you. I shop other places besides Lane Bryant. I feel like I'm always saying Lane Bryant, but I don't only shop there. Like this dress is from Old Navy. I bought it like 2 years ago probably, but you know, I shop other places, I promise. But yeah, the earrings are from Lane Bryant. Aren't they so cute? They are like silver and gold, so they don't exactly go with the, well, they kind of sort of go with the other jewelry. I don't know. Anyway, they cute, okay? Cute is cute. I always say that. Cute is cute. I haven't used this in so long. I miss her. We're gonna use it this morning. This is chocolate mocha and the Too Faced cream bronzer. Still gorgeous. Another part of protecting your peace is trying your best to get to the point in your life where you say no without guilt. If you are saying no and there's no malice behind your no, you know, why not say no without guilt? You know what I'm saying? Why not, girl? Whenever someone comes to you with a question, right? I feel, and I have told my kids this, you know, like when they were growing up, if you ask someone a question, you need to be ready for the yes or the no. If it's a yes or no question, when you ask it, you need to be ready for either response. A yes, if that's what you're looking for, is not guaranteed. And I know saying no can be a little hard, depending on the person especially. You know, it can be hard to say no, your children, it can be hard. But if no is really what you want to say, you gotta find a way to say it. Because if you say yes, that's anxiety. That can be stress. You know what I'm saying? So you gotta figure out how to say no without being stressed about it or, you know, feeling some type of way. Yeah, just say the no, say what you mean, and then just feel confident that you gave the no, not out of malice or being mean, but just because that's your answer. That's your answer. Next, we're gonna go in with the NYX Butter Highlighter. It's in the shade Butter in Bronze. That's the shade name. And this is what it looks like. I'll swatch it in a second, but let's go ahead and get that on the cheeks. I've got my eye on another one of these. It's the pink one. I think I want it. I hope they put NYX on sale soon so I can grab it. See that glow right there? Protecting your peace is not selfish, okay? It's not selfish. It's not. Also, protecting your peace, it looks different to everyone. The definition of protecting my peace is different from what it would look like for you. So just whatever it looks like for you, you know what I'm saying? I washed my hair last night, y'all. I'm gonna pull this up just a little bit for a second. But yeah, I washed my hair last night. I had been wanting to do it for a while. The reason I'm washing it, or the reason I washed it, is because I'm gonna leave it in for 2 weeks longer than I'm supposed to. I started out this year saying, I'm not going to leave it in for more than a month. Every month, every 4 weeks, I'm going to take the hair out, take care of my natural hair, wash the, crochet hair, reinstall it. I've actually been doing really, really good with that. This is the first month that I have not done that. So I've been doing really good. But this month, I'm gonna go an extra 2 weeks with the hair in because I'm centering like the taking out and reinstalling around 2 trips that we're taking coming up. But I washed it last night in the shower. So what I did was I took actually to be specific, I took the pattern edge brush. What is it? Edge control brush. You know what I'm talking about. It's a brush on one side and like a little comb on the other side. I use that because the bristles are really, really stiff, right? So I took that brush. Well, first of all, I put shampoo all in my scalp. And then I took that brush and I scrubbed my scalp. It felt so good. I got in between every braid and I took my time. It felt so good. I went over my scalp like 2, maybe even 3 times. Like I was scrubbing, I was cleaning it. It felt so good. And when I finished, of course, I rinsed it out. And then when I got out the shower, I just used, oh gosh, let me say it correctly. The Sacred something lotion. Oh my gosh, girl, I'm gonna put it on the screen. You all have seen me use it. I talked about it when I talked about this hair in a video. Anyway, I put the picture up. I put the Sacred lotion all over the hair while it was wet. I took like 5 sections of the hair and, twisted it. I put my usual sleep stuff on and went to bed. This morning, I just took it down. It was still very wet. It's probably like 60-70% dry at this time, But if you can look, girl, look at those curls. Look at those curls. Like, stop playing with me. And that was probably like the 9th time, I think, that I have washed this same exact hair. It's just so amazing to me. It's so amazing. I told you guys I am like slightly frugal. So having hair that I did spend a lot of money on, like it was super expensive, okay, true. But am I getting my money's worth? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Look at the curl. Like, stop playing with me. Girl, this hair is so good. I cannot get enough of this hair. Like, when I take it out, I'm gonna put it back in. I'm gonna take it out and put it back in. Like, foreseeable future is this hair. For real, like, I love it. I went ahead and applied some lashes. Now we're going to apply the Pat McGrath lip liner, and the shade is Divine Brown. We're gonna keep it Pat McGrath and use her lip gloss, and the shade name is Heavy Petal. This is the look for today, and the message for today is protect your peace. You're worth it. You're totally worth it. You are worth happiness. And so I hope that you seek it every single day. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. I had so much fun with the makeup, the conversation. I appreciate you being here. But before you go, girl, go ahead and click that subscribe button, because there are a lot of you out there watching my videos and not even subscribing to the channel. Girl, come on. Click the button. It's fast, it's fun, it's free. You can do it. You may as well do it right now. You've got the remote control, the cell phone, whatever. It's in your hand right now, okay? You may as well go ahead and click that subscribe button, the post notification bell, so you don't miss any uploads. If you've made it this far in the video, go ahead and click the like button for me, girlfriend. It's so helpful to me, my channel. It will, expose me to other people that, enjoy watching beauty content. It really and truly does help my channel grow. So I really appreciate your support. I cannot wait to see you in my next video. But until then, friend, please be safe and always be blessed. Bye-bye.